Losing weight is a common goal for many and can be achieved through a combination of diet, exercise, and lifestyle changes. Here are several effective strategies. 1. Set realistic goals. Start by setting achievable and measurable goals. Aim to lose 1 to 2 pounds per week, which is considered healthy and sustainable. 2. Balanced diet. Focus on a balanced diet rich in fruits, vegetables, lean proteins, and whole grains. Avoid processed foods, sugary beverages, and excessive fats. Portion control is also crucial. 3. Regular exercise. Incorporate a mix of cardiovascular exercises like jogging, cycling, swimming, and strength training like weightlifting, resistance exercises into your routine. Aim for at least 150 minutes of moderate aerobic activity or 75 minutes of vigorous activity each week. 4. Stay hydrated. Drinking plenty of water helps keep you hydrated and can aid in weight management. Sometimes thirst is mistaken for hunger, leading to overeating. 5. Monitor progress. Keep track of your weight loss journey. Use a journal or a mobile app to log your food intake, exercise, and progress. This helps in identifying patterns and making necessary adjustments. 6. Get enough sleep. Lack of sleep can interfere with your metabolism and increase cravings for unhealthy foods. Aim for 7 to 9 hours of quality sleep per night. 7. Manage stress. Stress can contribute to weight gain through emotional eating. Practice stress-reducing techniques such as meditation, yoga, or deep breathing exercises. 8. Seek support. Consider joining a weight loss group or seeking support from family and friends. Having a support system can provide motivation and encouragement. Remember, losing weight is a gradual process and requires persistence and consistency. Consulting with healthcare providers or a nutritionist can provide personalized guidance tailored to your specific needs and health conditions. Avoid any shortcuts or fad diets that promise quick results, as they can be harmful to your health. Always prioritize a safe and healthy approach to achieve and maintain your weight loss goals.